Hey there, my beautiful soul. Danielle Corinne 999 here, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about something every single one of us has lived through, and that is life. Life not going as planned. You know that feeling when you're doing everything right, you're sticking to your goals, you're trusting the process, and then out of nowhere, life hits you with something you didn't expect. Yeah, we're going there today. So let's be real. Nobody wakes up saying, "Yes, give me a surprise bill today," or "I'd love to lose my job this week," or "Let me catch an illness that I didn't see coming." But life doesn't need our permission to shift. Unexpected sickness, unexpected expenses, a shift in your relationship, losing somebody you love, losing stability, it all shows up uninvited. And the truth is, the more we try to control everything, the harder the impact feels when life decides to pivot. But disappointments don't mean you're off your path. Sometimes they reveal what the real path is. This is where your power sits, not in what happens, but how you respond. You have a choice every time life hits you. Do you fold? Do you give up? Do you shut down? Or do you pause? Do you breathe? And do you keep going even when it hurts? You're not powerless. You're not defeated. Your reaction is your leverage. One thing I wish people talked about more is the pause. The pause before clarity. The pause before healing. The pause before your next move. Because when something unexpected happens, it's okay to pause. It's okay to cry. It's okay to not have the answer immediately. But don't stay in that pause. Let the pause give you wisdom, not paralysis. Once you pause, then you can rebuild. This is where you ask yourself, what is this teaching me? What can I control right now? What actions can I take today? Not next week, but today. Maybe you need to rebuild your finances. Maybe you need to rebuild your health. Maybe you need to rebuild your mindset or your environment. Every time life disrupts your plan, it's creating a demand for a new version of you. Life will not always go as planned. But the beautiful part is, neither do blessings. So if you've been hit with something unexpected, this is not your ending. This is your turning point. You don't fold here, you rise. So please, my beautiful soul, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because we're going deeper in the next video. All right? So stay strong, stay aligned, and keep moving forward. Until the next time, be blessed and have a great day.